Well, it's really important. It begins to tell a story right away, and I hope that it captures attention and we're creating our experience for this prospective team member or employee. Remember, it has to be a good fit on both sides. So it has to be a good fit for us as we're selecting candidates, and it has to feel right for them. So as we have personalized the storyboards, it allows my campus to look very different from somebody else's campus, meaning not only are we able to use our logo and branding, I was able to personalize a skilled nursing room to make it home-like as it actually is on our campus. The face of the resident reflects the face of what our actual residents look like. So you're beginning to develop familiarity and comfort, hopefully. And similarly, if it's not comfortable, we need to know that as well. If it's not a good fit, then that should show up throughout the assessment tool. And that would not be somebody who we would continue with throughout the process. One of the things that I am excited about is to not only use the tool to screen and meet our benchmarks, but also as a performance and teaching tool. So if I have a team member who seems like they're not consistently delivering the customer service or hospitality or creating the resident experience that we expect, heck, let's go back and have them use this assessment tool and see where they fall. And it might give us a better idea if they're not even close to the benchmark. Maybe this really isn't the right person for our team. Or if they're close, then we have an opportunity to work with them and we'll know more specifically how to work with them, reassess them, and see if they were able to move the dial and come closer to meet our expectations with benchmarking. Well, I think for internal culture, it puts an emphasis on how much they matter. You know, I say to our folks, particularly our front line, that you are the most important people here, and I genuinely mean that, and I am the least important. It does not matter what title is on my name tag. I could walk away, I could be gone for weeks at a time, and this campus will run beautifully. If they're not here, if they're not optimally performing, then our residents aren't receiving the services that we have promised them. So this is really an investment for them. And of course, as you know, when you're on a team, you want everybody around you and everybody surrounding you to be as good as you. So this is another guarantee that everybody is going to have the same values, the same heart, the passion, the ethic, the concern to really go above and beyond to engage with the resident and provide the very best quality possible for all shifts, 24/7, 7 days a week. The most important asset I have is our people, and they comprise our workforce. And it is incumbent on us to create a workforce culture where people feel valued and respected and supported and have the tools they need to do a great job. We can do all of that, but if we haven't brought the right people to the table, then you're not going to be able to improve or shift workforce culture. Logi-Serve is going to allow us in a scientifically based arena to bring together this hard-driving, caring, customer service-oriented workforce that will change every touch point, that will make a difference in every interaction that we have with residents. Our residents will feel even more secure, more happy, more loved, our value increases, and ultimately our business continues to improve and improve and improve.